Let's eat. Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today on the menu, we're going to be making chicken stuffed taco shells. So, if you're excited about this dish, then grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Alright, so first things first, you're going to need about 12 ounces of shredded chicken. This was store-bought, pre-seasoned. All you have to do is put it in the microwave and it is heated up. If you want to make your own chicken and shred it, feel free to do so. So go ahead and add in your chicken. We're going to add in some taco seasoning. We're going to add in our green onions. Now feel free to add in as much as you would like to your tasting. I'm just adding in, just a few scoops of the green onions, but feel free to add in as many as you would like. We're going to add in some 4-cheese Mexican blend. You can also add in just sharp cheddar cheese if you would like, or any type of taco cheese blend. That way you can get all that yummy taco flavors in your mouth. And then go ahead and blend up everything and feel free to add whatever you want to do, whatever you want to add. I'm adding these ingredients for my liking. If you want to do it the same way I did, then go ahead and feel free. All right, next up, we're going to put a base on the bottom of our pan. We're going to add in some pasta sauce. You can also do enchilada sauce. That'll be something you can do. Or you can also do maybe a salsa. It's up to you, but I'm using pasta sauce. Or like I said, enchilada sauce will work great. You're going to open up your shell. Now, what I did was I boiled the shells maybe a couple minutes less than what the box called for, just so that they won't get overcooked in the oven. Plus, they're going to be cooking a little bit more in the oven. But feel free to boil them for the right amount of time that's on the box. So you're going to stuff your shell, and then you're going to grab another shell and just overlap it with the original shell, so that way the contents doesn't fall out. And I'm just going to keep on repeating this step until my pan is filled. All right, now I'm going to add a little bit more sauce on top. We don't want any dry pasta. If you want to do more, feel free. All right, and then we're going to top off our shells with some more cheese. And we're going to bake our shells in the oven on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. I ended up doing 25 and they were a little toasty, but not too toasty. So next time I'll do 20 minutes. Feel free to do 20 minutes if you do not want your shells to come out a little toasty. But it was still great, still yummy, and I enjoyed it. We're going to top off our shells with some salsa. Gotta have salsa when you have tacos, or shall we say shells. And we're going to put on some sour cream, some tomatoes. We're going to add on some onions. You can even do pico de gallo, so that way it's just one container of everything you need. You can put on some pickles. That sounds so yummy. Just top it off whatever you want to top it off with, as if you're making a taco, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back for more yummy videos. Bye.